Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn GCP with Mahesh. Today we'll explore how to restore a virtual machine with a previous snapshot without stopping the instance. This is the instance which I have created, and this instance has a boot disk of 10 GB and a data disk of 20 GB. Now we will copy some data into this data disk and take a snapshot and see how we can restore back to a previous snapshot. I have access into the machine. Let's put ls block, and this is the data disk. The disk name is SBD, and if we ls, this is a big object which is of 660 MB. Let's take a snapshot first and see what is the size of the snapshot, and let's try to add another object and take a second snapshot. Let's take the first snapshot. Let's give the name snapshot with one big image, and the source disk has to be our data disk, and let it be in the same region. Let's click create. Snapshot is finished, and after the snapshot with compression enabled, the snapshot size is 45 MB. Now let's copy another image, or we can make a copy of this image itself with another name like 2, and take another snapshot which would be our second snapshot. Let's take the second snapshot, that's the name. Let's click on create. Second snapshot is also taken, and we have set the stage. Now we just put ls. We can see the current state of this virtual machine. So it has two images. Now the aim is to restore back with only one image. Let's see how to do that. Click on the virtual machine, then click on edit, scroll down, delete the existing data disk. We don't need that, just delete it, and attach a disk, new disk, and you have the option of attaching a snapshot, and let's select the one with snapshot with one big image, and click done and click save. Snapshot is now added as a data disk to our virtual machine, and the name of the data disk is disk-1. Now let's put ls block again, and you should quickly see the disk is gone, not there. The SDB is not there, but a new disk has been added, SDC. Now let's mount this new disk SDC to our /mount disk/data by running this mount command. And now if I put ls -l, you should see, okay, let's just go out and then go back. You see that it's only one image. So that's how one can restore a virtual machine with a previous snapshot without stopping the virtual machine. Hope the video was helpful. Thanks for watching.